Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the home screen or app drawer, then tap and hold an app icon until it lifts. This enters drag mode. You want to pick the most central app first because Android uses that app as the folder anchor. Once you have the first app selected, drag it slightly to create space, and while holding it, tap other apps to add them or drag them over. This method works on standard Android launchers. It's fast and consistent. Once two apps overlap, a folder appears. Drop the second app and the folder is created. You should tap the new folder to open it, then tap the default name to type a specific label so you can find it quickly. Make sure to adjust icon order by dragging within the folder. This sets the visible preview. Once done, you can drag additional apps into that same folder from the home screen or from the app drawer without recreating it. Finally, tidy the folder. Move your most used apps to the front for one-tap access and position the folder on a convenient home screen or dock slot. You can resize some folders on certain launchers. Use that to show more icons. If a drag and drop doesn't work, make sure you're not in a locked layout. If needed, restart the launcher or clear its cache in settings and try again. This finishes grouping apps into a single folder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.